in Washington State, we have 9 different key industries, right? And currently AJAC is participating in 3 of those. Yes, this can work in aerospace, but maybe it could also work in food processing. Maybe it could also work in defense. Maybe it could also work in space. The biggest part of what we do is listen. We listen to industry. We try to understand what their needs are, and we develop a program from there.
Where we're located, the type of industry that we're in, the available resource pool. There's a very competitive area, and for us as an organization, realizing that technology is the way forward for our industry and building strength and skill to enable us to gain technology and not just be shade tree mechanics or the heritage skill sets of welding and wrench turning, but progressing into machining and to a higher advanced skill level. AJAC has been the greatest benefit for us as a site because it positions us for future technologies.
In my experience, people come into the field of maintenance with a singular skill set, either an electrician, a machinist, a welder. In industrial maintenance, you don't have the luxury of going up to a machine and going, well, it's an electrical problem, I'm a machinist, so I'm gonna walk away. You have to learn and understand how to repair equipment regardless of the system or component that has failed.
There's kind of a short supply of that skilled labor, especially in this area. And the more we can add to it as a community, I think the better off not only our industry, but the other industries in the valley will be. Apples, pears. It may not be the same product, but the processing's, type of equipment and type of troubleshooting skills that are required to maintain them and keep them operating are very similar.
What I enjoy about industrial maintenance is it doesn't matter what product is being processed. The machinery all operates very similarly. There's hydraulic components, there's pneumatic components, there's sensors. The skilled apprentice can identify failures and make corrective actions regardless of what product is being processed. So the skill set we provide them is universal.
Those workers can actually transfer or transition into a different industry because the skill level is the same and it can cross multiple industries. So not only is that good for the employers, not only is that good for the industry, but that's good for the state and that's good for communities.